everyone. I'm Surekha.
And I'm Semira. And welcome to episode 2 of the Choose to Challenge series for International Women's Day. Today, we are going to be talking about women who inspire us by breaking the glass ceiling.
Samira, I would like to share with you an inspirational lady who has really motivated me and remains a icon of inspiration for not only me, but a lot of women in India. And her name is Sudha Murthy. She has, in the literal sense, broken the glass ceilings, according to me. When she was studying engineering, she was the only lady in the entire college campus. When she got her first job at Tata Steel, she was the only woman on the shop floor. Imagine at an age and time when women were not even allowed to step out of their house, she was an engineer and all ready to work with the workforce and climb up the ladder of success. I also look up to her because she's been a strong pillar of success for the Infosys Foundation. She's always stood by Narayan Murthy and helped him in this entire journey of Infosys. She's the proud mother of 2 successful children. And I think that what better a role model you could have. She's authored many books, not only for children, but also for adults, sharing her experiences of life. And that's one thing that makes me motivated and inspired by her.
Wonderful, Surekha. So I'd like to talk about Indra Nooyi, an Indian woman as well, but she's kind of Indian American, you can say. And she's the CEO of PepsiCo. She served as the longest running CEO of PepsiCo and also the first female CEO of PepsiCo. So she's been ranked consistently as one of the world's 100 most powerful women. She's also ranked in the Forbes list of the world's most powerful women, in Fortune's list as well. She serves on the board of Amazon as well as the International Cricket Council. So she really has a fantastic career and is a wonderful example of a woman who has really broken the glass ceiling. What's interesting about her is when she started off with PepsiCo, the world was completely changing. So what she did was she actually started with a concept called Perform with a Purpose. She changed the total strategy of PepsiCo in the way that the company was being run. And she looked at it as a long-term vision as to how the company should be run. So what she observed was when she took over as a CEO was there were areas which were water distressed. There was a lot of focus on reduction of plastic. There were landfills which people were concerned about. There was a turn in the world towards eating more healthy. So when you see interviews about her, she moved the company's vision and strategy in such a way that it became a very conscious, sustainable environment. So I think in terms of inspiration, she really serves as a huge inspiration for me in terms of both being a woman and operating in what was typically a man's world. So that's my story about Indra Nooyi.
That's nice. Samira, I have a cousin closer home. Her name is Deepa Krishnan, and I'm extremely inspired by her. The reason I am inspired by her is because of her ability to manage work as well as a corporate career. Right now, she is at a leadership position and is a director of marketing at Tata Starbucks. But I really admire the way she's brought up her children and the way she's able to manage not only her corporate goals, but also her own passions. She loves to dance, work out, trek, and travel. And I think very recently, she has already done the base level camp of the Himalayas. So she's extremely fit, passionate about her work, and an extremely loving mother. And that's what inspires me to know and learn more about Deepa. So for me, Deepa Krishnan and Sudha Murthy are 2 women who I'm extremely inspired and motivated to learn how they are able to manage life as well as break the glass ceiling.
Very nice. So there you go. These are the three women who we'd like to share with you their stories. We hope that they'll serve as an inspiration for you. Share your story as well, whether it's an everyday person, like somebody related to you, so that we can get inspired as well, and you in turn can inspire others. In our next episode, we are going to be talking about work-life balance and how we can choose to challenge ourselves so that we are able to manage our work and our life.